Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see installation guide of DNP3 Client Master Simulator. Okay, so here is the zip file. Inside the zip file we have the exe file to install the DNP3 Client Master Simulator. So I'm going to extract it. Okay, so we have extracted it and here is the folder. And here is the DNP3 Client Master Simulator.exe to install the DNP3 Client Master Simulator in your Windows machine. So you have to double click here. Okay, and you have to press next here. You have to click on I agree on license terms and agreement, and then you have to press next. And here you have to choose the destination folder. So I'm going to choose the destination folder in my D drive, and then I'll press next. Okay, and we will press next again, and we will press next again, and then we will press install to start installing the DNP3 Client Master Simulator. And here you can see we have successfully installed the DNP3 Client Master Simulator. And if you want to launch it, then you can leave these things as it is. Otherwise, uncheck this one and press on finish. Okay, so we have successfully installed the Client Master Simulator for DNP3 protocol. Now in the next video we will see how to install DNP3 Outstation Server Simulator. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.